Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to fix the "you're following too fast" problem on your TikTok account. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up TikTok and then go to your profile in the bottom right corner. You then want to click on the three lines at the top right and click Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Report a Problem. It'll be under Support. Once it loads, you can go ahead and go to the search bar and you can look up "following too fast." So, following too fast. As you can see, it's right there. I want to go ahead and click that. It will then it will say you may receive this notice that you have been following accounts too quickly, which could temporarily disable your account for some time. You want to go and select no, problem has not been resolved. Click need more help. And then you could type in something like, "Hi TikTok support, I keep getting notifications that I am following too fast. Sorry about that. I was hoping that you could be able to help my account and fix it." And make sure to say thank you at the end. You could also add your username so it'd be easier for them to help find your account. You could also add a screenshot of it happening just so they can see that it's actually happening to you. But once you send it, it should take from 24 to 48 hours to hear a response back from TikTok, and you just have to follow whatever they send you back. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any video ideas, and I'll see you in the next video.